Imagine working a 60-hour week, but your boss does not pay you in real money. They pay you in digital credits that can only be spent at the company store. This is not a dystopian movie. In the 1800s, this was a real, brutal system called company Scrip, designed entirely to trap the working class. Fast forward to today. The global elite are rebuilding the exact same trap, but this time, it is digital. Welcome to the terrifying reality of central bank digital currencies. The media is selling the cashless society to you as a matter of convenience and safety. That is an illusion. Central bank digital currencies are programmable money. This means the central bank will have the power to track every single transaction you make. They can freeze your wallet if you buy from unapproved vendors. And worst of all, they can program an expiration date onto your money, forcing you to spend your savings to artificially stimulate their economy. Physical cash is the last remaining loophole in their financial surveillance matrix. It is the only way to transact freely without permission. And that is exactly why they are quietly phasing it out. If you keep your wealth inside their digital banking system, you are voluntarily stepping into the cage. You must protect your purchasing power. Acquire hard, unprogrammable assets that the central banks cannot control. Subscribe to Aureus Ethos and stay outside the cage.